Why is this so important to catch early on the early stages? Because I may be wrong, but you said that the DMM does this already when the developer or when the quality assurance technician or person is testing in their computer.
Okay. Well, I don't have the right numbers here, but an error in production costs in terms of time and money much more to the company than an error in development. Okay? If you think an error in production can be critical and can make you lose business, it can make you lose customers, it can make you lose reputation, well, when you navigate in the web, if you go to a website that is not responding, what you just close the window and go to anywhere else, unless you don't have that opportunity. But if you really need to go to that website, then at least your satisfaction will be lower, and will start to degrade within that supplier of service, because we expect today that web pages load instantly and not to wait seconds for them to load. Okay, so if you detect these errors in development, it means that you can fix them sooner in your production cycle. And if you detect them in quality, it will cost a little more, because you already have made developments, and then you already have involved more persons, that is your quality assurers. But even so, it's better to find the errors in quality and don't move that version forward so that it won't impact your end customers, but move that version backwards, meaning tell your developments, please fix this, please make this okay.
Okay, I understand.